Hey man, let's work on some bikes today. Oh God! Oh! Oh! Alright, let's see if this is the right one. Alright, here you'll see a bottom bracket. It says tighten this way, that sounds right. Should it just, oh my God. Look at it. And onto the thread locker. Okay, and then we'll get the tool out for that. Wow. And this says tighten this way. I wonder if I'm supposed to have any spacers on here. Guess we'll find out. I guess I'll just put the crank in now and we'll just see how it looks. And then oh, the tool I need is right here. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Oh, it's getting grease on everything. I don't know. I don't really know where it's supposed to be. But, you know, sure. We'll put it all together and see if that works. And if not, then I'll just take the bottom bracket back off. Put a spacer in there, I guess. Grease. Okay. I guess I should specify. I see a lot of guys doing the SRAM, the dub. This is not the SRAM. This is the Shimano, the Hollowtech. So, if you're looking for somebody to tell you how to do the... I don't really tell anybody how to do this stuff, I guess, when I think about it, because I'll be doing it wrong. But... oh, that's so worrisome. That's just a thread locker, I guess, because it went in there fine. Anyway, if you're looking for someone to tell you how to do that dub crank set, what do you mean? Alright, after a little bit of screwing around with it, with the crank, and we're looking where else but YouTube, I went with a spacer on either side of the bottom bracket, and let's just see if it fits. That felt good. That feels good. Clears the frame, those clear the... Looks good to me. I guess we'll find out when we get a cassette and the chain and get it out there and try and pedal on it. I guess I'll tighten up these cranks on here and then I guess get a fork on it. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, cool. Let's get some stuff going with this fork here and yeah. Get all that out of there, all the old headset. Yeah, there we go. There's some little indentations underneath this race here. And I don't know if it's for prime. Oh yeah, it's gonna come right off. No fuck. Oh, no freaking sweat. I might be buying a new one of these. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not showing anything. Alright, so there's little, yeah. So I'm just prying this guy up little by little. Oh, there it goes. There it is. There's the race off. Alright, cool. Let's continue now with this this fun Zitto, Jessica, who knows? I think they're all the same. So, I guess this is our little bit. Okay, here we go. If I'm not correct, it doesn't feel like it's right, but it goes in like that. Like this. Like this onto the fork. So I don't really have a, oh, I had a tool for this. Let me get my tool up here. All right, I've got my tool. As you can see, it's very specialized. So I use it in all my fork and headset applications. Yeah, that grease on the steer really helps you just get that seated right in there. Alright, cool. Let's go over to the frame and knock those old cups out and get these new ones in. Alright, so I'm checked and it looked like this bottom cup would like fit with the spacer, not the spacer, the bearing that the weird Zitto China headset came with, but the top one definitely doesn't. So let's knock them out. Gonna get my specialized tools again. There's your punch and there's 2x4. Oh. I'm gonna get a bigger screwdriver, something else, maybe a piece of wood, I don't know. Be right back. Alright, welcome down to the floor of the workshop, or as I like to call it, the land of leverage. Well, I got this big pry bar and a 2x4. Uno. And pour can all those stones. I'm just going to slip a little grease inside the whatever this is, head tube, and then once again, custom headset tool to get this in. Give her a little, yeah. You idiots buying park tools are just something else. You know, multifunctional tool. I know 2x4s, I know wood is silly right now. But, yeah, probably like $1 or $2. I mean, you gotta buy a whole one, it's like $7, but less than a foot. Okay, well, the race is installed and the cups are in, so I don't think there's anything left to do but just put the fork on and see if it all works. So there's already grease on the steer, but just, you know, a little more on there on everything, keep it nice. And there's the bearing. And this is the way it says to do it. Oh, I need a stem. Crap. Crap. This is, ouch. My JG bike, I think it was either $7 or $10. And I hope it's loose. Yes. Alright. Here we go. Easy, baby. Well, that definitely feels like garbage. Get in there. Okay, that's in. Oh, let's go bearing. Sounds great. And something thing. And I think dust cover. And stem. And spacers. And crap, it's not the same. I need one more spacer. Ugh! No! Scrabble, scrabble. Jabble, jabble. There it is. Right, yeah. Okay, strike in. All right. Easy now, baby. Easy now. Easy now. Don't get discouraged. I don't like this headset at all. Feels cheap. Crap. Always unscrew your top cap from the extra star nut as well before you get going, so you're not doing it one-handed, holding the entire fork in. Okay. Let's see what we got. Little play. We'll get that tightened up. But yeah, there you go. Here's removal of the old cups, straight steer to tapered steer adapter, and new cups and headset stem, headset spacers, yeah, the whole install. So what's next? I guess, yeah, bars, cockpit. Let's do the handlebars. Schwinn Axum. Bottom bracket. Maybe I won't mess this one up. Alright, so after consulting a couple YouTube videos and anyway.